Well, hello, welcome back. I'm going to turn, if you happen to have your books with you, that's fine. If not, it's page 29. And I'm just going to read about motif, what a motif is. And it comes from the Divine Choreography book or the dance composition video, which, it's available there. One element of design is a motif. And a motif is a movement or movement phrase that not only is the first part of or starting point of a composition or dance, but that which has been selected, evaluated, refined, and the initial motivating force for the rest of the dance. Basically, it's the initial theme and common thread of the dance. So, like this last class session, we did a song, and I did a motif within the dance. I used my hands and arms kind of like this, and it represented a clock or time. We're running out of time, and put the elbows together like that. So it kind of looks like 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock, depending on which way you're looking at it. Then a little later in the song, I had the same kind of motion when the song said something to the effect of, God was crossing the great divide, to come to us, basically. So kind of repeated it here, but in a different way. The running out of time was bigger, and it stopped at a clock. And the second time I did it, it was, kind of like this, and then it stopped here, because it was like God's glory is too great to see, so, I covered my face. And then the third time I used that particular motif or theme went to the floor, and we were on our backs, and it says he was in the grave, and the grave can't hold him, and he walked right out of here. And so while I was on my back, I did like this with my hands and did the same motion with my legs. So my legs were up in the air, arms were up in the air, simultaneously going like that. So it repeated the motif or the theme, but did it differently. That's a really nice thing to do in your compositions, in your dance choreography, is to have a motif or a theme.